Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is your boy Visionary B with the Visionary Money Show coming at you live Monday through Friday with a live stream on Saturday. Trying to give you some financial news you can use. So if you don't mind, go ahead and press that subscribe. What I wanted to start off today with was a generational wealth building opportunity for you. They've recently initiated coverage on 7 U.S. cannabis companies, all expected to give about 100% returns over the next 12 months. These companies are Curaleaf, Green Thumb, True Leaf, Cresco Labs, Terracin, Columbia Care, Air Wellness. And all of these have current prices and price targets on them, and all the analysts expect them to do very well over the next 12 months. Cannabis is currently a $17 billion industry, expected to reach about $64 billion. I think they say the average person spends about $1,300 a year on alcohol. Cannabis is set to match that or maybe even surpass it, especially with federal legalization coming up soon, 2026 possibly, which would allow for interstate commerce and allow this industry to grow multiples by the decade. So if you think you're a little bit behind for retirement planning, if you were to buy and hold some of these for the next 20, 30 years, you would be in a very good position when it comes time for retirement. So take note of these tickers, jot them down, put them on your watch list. Total market cap for crypto, it's sitting at about 1.39 trillion. Today, the top 5 by market cap, you have Bitcoin at about 626 billion, Ether 249 billion, Tether 62 billion, Binance Coin 48 billion, Cardano 43 billion. Now, Goldman Sachs has said that they predict Ether's market cap will either reach or surpass Bitcoin, so that's going to put Ether at a 3 times multiple from today's price. DeFi is at about 70 billion a day, down 10% from the other day. Uniswap, Chainlink, Wrap, Bitcoin, DAI, and AAV still the top 5. I will continue to push AAV. I think that is the future of banking and lending. And if you look at the total value locked in DeFi, it's at 54 billion today. AAV dominance is about 15.7%. You can see it still is the number 1 DeFi. But InstaD app is coming close with 9 billion locked, AAV still with 10 billion locked, down 11% from yesterday. Now, Goldman Sachs put out an article this week saying why Ether may overtake Bitcoin. Basically, they say the smart contracts give it a leg up because it unlocks everything with the DeFi. So it allows apps to be run on their blockchain. So a lot of the DeFi apps are run using the Ethereum blockchain. They do see value in blockchain technology, but they are hesitant to say that crypto is an asset class. They think regulation could stall it, loss of confidence, but it has been the best performing asset over the last decade. So moving forward, you have to do your own research, your own due diligence, and see if it's a good investment for you. But in the past 10 years, there has been no better investment, period. And all of the banks have been getting into it lately. Bank of America has become the latest. Yesterday, they announced with an internal memo that they'll be diving into crypto research. They have a team dedicated to crypto opportunities. So all of these banks are getting into it. I think that gives you a sign that you should be getting into it as well, but you have to do your research. And wherever you have $1 trillion of value, you know that there's going to be jobs there. So if you can really get into the blockchain technology and the crypto space, there will be a lot of job opportunities moving forward. And Senator Pat Toomey, a Republican out in Pennsylvania, he recently disclosed that he's made an investment of about $30,000 into Ethereum and Bitcoin. And not only did he invest in it, he invested in it after he petitioned Congress to loosen up some of the regulations regarding cryptocurrencies. So sometimes you got to follow the smart money, man. Bitcoin and Ethereum, I don't think they're going away. Staking is an opportunity where you can buy, hold, and earn interest on that. And you can stake using Coinbase. And Coinbase is the number 1 crypto exchange in the US. Bitcoin prices may have been down, but all the analysts are saying Coinbase is going to outperform in the next 12 months. They charge a very high fees. They're the best player in town. It IPO'd at about $320. Altcoin trading is up, customers are up, volumes are up. So the more people buying and selling, the more revenue they're making. Staking is up. The fourth quarter of 2021, they made $10 million from people staking cryptos. And what staking is when you buy a crypto and you stake it on their platform, they pay you interest on your crypto holdings. That was 18% of their service revenue in the first quarter of 2021. And also they've been making acquisitions to help with their staking businesses. They bought a company called Scoo and also Bison Trails. And some of the cryptos that you can stake on Coinbase are about to be on the screen. But they're going to have a very good second quarter. The earnings come out next month, and the analysts will be forced to raise their price targets. The fears about cutting fees and competing with some of these other crypto exchanges, I think they're overblown. And they're going to continue to make money because a lot of these exchanges simply can't compete on them just off the name alone. Bitcoin was at a record high in the middle of the year, April, about 63K. Today it's trading at about 33. But if you own Coinbase, you can participate in some of the upside without owning the crypto directly. Now, these are some of the cryptos you can stake. USDC, you get 3%, Cardano 5%, Ether 6%, Polkadot 14%, just to name a few. And like I said, Coinbase is trading at $251 right now. It has a price target of about $350 by the next 12 months. So, good investment. Put that on your watch list. Hopefully you got some ideas, man. Go ahead and buy and hold those for a generation to build generational wealth. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on Monday.